So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the data sets manually to the MongoDB project that you have now. In order to do it, simply log into MongoDB, and this is the basic interface that looks when you log in and open a project setting. Now, for example, my project that is an expense tracker. Now, in order to add the data values manually, just simply click on clusters over there on the left window, click on browse collections, and here you'll find all the data set that is available. In my case, it can be expenses or incomes, and here you'll see the database IDs for every one of them. Now, in order to add a detail, just simply click on this option of insert a document, and here you need to enter the values. Now make sure that you will enter all the parameters right there, all the key value pairs from here. So I would recommend you to just simply make a copy of it and simply enter the details as per your things, like just simply clone the document, and here simply tweak the values as per you want, and you can add manually the data, and same goes for every other data set that you want to add. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.